Trying to set up a shift flat. Maybe I won't, and we'll just use this section, cut it to our length.
Okay.
And then cut an extra long piece that we then have hanging off the edge so we can cut it at the right angle and it'll be good. I think that makes more sense.
Okay. Do you actually want this flush with your book?
Well, I don't want it to be much more than that. I think flush is fine. You can always trim more off. You'll be able to grab it regardless, but it's fully supported to the top because I think it'll just like want to sag otherwise. And I'd like to keep the book like pristine.
Just don't actually cut it there.
No, that's. I know.
Back up. Back up. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Wait. Okay.
I think when we cut it, we'll just prop it up on end.
Yeah.
With a shim to cut the angle. Maybe we'll cut the other angle first, and then we'll just flip it around and eyeball it, clamp a roo somehow.
Yeah. I would basically make a rectangle first.
Yeah.
And then cut it on the diagonal.
Yeah. Maybe just go 20.
Sure. And then do you know your width?
This. Little clamp's fine. Probably better. Don't hurt himself. What could go wrong? A lot of things.
Do you need your grabber, the other end of your grabber, to be on something of the same level? Would that be easier?
No, actually,
no?
because I'm using it to pinch it.
Okay.
It could use something higher up here to stabilize. Do I have room? I got one. I just need a clamp. This will work. We just made a jig. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, I feel better about that.
Okay.
It won't slide back.
Yeah. Very burny.
I was trying to, it slid in. That's the problem with this whole setup.
Yep.
Maybe this would have not been required, it would have fallen off.
Right.
I was like, why do I have resistance and it's still cutting? Well, just ignore the burn spots.
Let's see what now. Really don't know how I was gonna clamp, but it's fine. Does this even reach?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no problem. That should be okay. I'm not thinking about that edge. Why did we suddenly get up to run to the door?
Did you hear somebody outside?
What do you have to say for yourself, mister?
I'm cold, I don't want to let you out.
Must everything have dog hair in it, Atlas?
Good.
Yeah, I think so. As good as that's gonna get.